Hi, Laura Grisham here with Laura Grisham Designs. I'm here today to introduce to you our new turkey wreath kit. Yes, it's here. No more cutting the board because it's already cut for you. You will get in your kit a board similar to this, a half circle, pre-drilled holes right where the feathers need to go, okay? And you also get, it'll come in a bag like this. You'll get your turkey and all the little pieces that go on it that you can paint individually and then put them on the turkey instead of trying to paint around everything. When you're through with your turkey, and depending on what petal fold you choose to do, it will look something like this. Okay? And we will, in the kit, you will also get instructions on where the placement for every part goes, what suggested color, and even some suggested, excuse me, Mr. Turkey, some suggestions on the petal folds to use for your tail. You can also, if you don't want to do that, you can just purchase a board and maybe use something like this. You could just attach it like this and use that to increase the tail, right? So it's a new product and I'm happy to introduce it to you, and I hope that you find this helpful.